welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. As you can see, I'm not at home today. We are actually here supporting classmates and some friends of ours with their own farm doing a cover crop demonstration. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna do just what I did when we did Camp the Field of Dreams. We're gonna break it up over several videos. They'll have their very own playlist. If you have not done so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos. We're all about helping you no-till organic regenerative farm with little to no money, keeping money in your family's pockets and food on your table. So guys, we're here with Cicada Calling in Independence, Louisiana, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to be taking you back towards the farm here in just a minute. I'm actually on car duty. This is like a 4-mile road, bringing people back to the demonstration area, and Stephen and I came early to support them because that's what it's all about, rowing in each other's boats. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please let me know what other topics that you would like to learn about. So this is a really great idea right here, guys. They have ornamental peppers, then eggplants down the rest of the row. So you have a pest cycle break right here because of the peppers, and then it goes back to eggplants. And on the front side, you'd have your marigolds, which are really good at keeping nematodes out of the soil. So a great way to companion plant. That's beautiful. Just waiting, huh, friend? Yes, I'm coming. Hi, beautiful. Thank you for watching our introductory video. Just wanted to give you an idea where we were at and the beauty surrounding us this morning. So we hope that you find the next several short videos very educational and a help to you on your cover crop journey. Thank you for watching Starkey Farmstead. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos.